Hey Pro Bono crew, it's Claire Desira here and I'm back with another video to support your mindset during your career change or your career exploration. I head up a training organisation for people just like you, people in generous and change-making careers that want to have an impact through the work that you do. And we're here to make it easier through more resilience, stronger mindset and a bigger leadership impact. Today I want to talk to you about the power of small actions and the momentum of small actions. Taking a big, wild, bold step is often romanticised as a way to make change, especially when it comes to our career. But the reality is that not many people actually make change in their career like that, and taking big, bold, wild steps all the time is just not sustainable. So I want to talk to you about the power of just doing one thing, and to think about if you were just to do one thing every week that would support your career journey or your career change, that over a year you would have done 52 things that year to support your career goals and career change if you just did one thing. And that's not even counting all of the stuff that you're learning on the job, all of the lessons, all of the gold, all of the things that you're learning, what not to do, what you don't like, what you want to do more of, differently and less of. It's not even counting those things, but some really proactive focus, even just for 25 minutes or half an hour each week on one thing that would help you move towards your next career goals or to strengthen your career goals or to explore a new career can be really powerful. So what is it? What is that one thing you can do this week? Can you schedule it in your diary and just get cracking on exploring it, learning more about it, or developing that skill and moving it forward? The power of small things can be wildly fun and also take you exactly where you want to go in your career. And look, if you're not doing that, what are you doing? Let's be honest. So get in there, do that one thing, even if it's one thing a week, and see where it takes you. Have some fun with it and enjoy.